Hi students, welcome to the next session. In previous session, we completed few problems as well as we will discuss the synopsis of how many number of functions from A to B and how to find one functions as well as how to find onto function. Now in today's session, we will start few more questions based on the function. First we will discuss question number 44. Set A having 6 elements. The number of distinct functions from A to A which are not bijective. This question asked in KSET 2018. See, we need to find the number of functions which are not bijective. Okay. Solution. Total number of functions. Total number of functions. Already we discussed the formula for total number of functions from A to A, that is n power n. But here in place of n, 6 is given. That's why 6 power 6. This is the total number of one functions. Next I am finding number of one or onto, either injective or surjective. Number of one or onto functions from A to A. That formula also we discussed, that is n factorial, that is nothing but 6 factorial. Total number of functions is 6 power 6 and the number of one or onto function is 6 factorial. We required number of functions which are not bijective, How to find this? We need to subtract the one or onto functions from the total number of functions, that is 6 power 6 minus 6 factorial, that is nothing but option 3 is the correct answer. First we need to find the total number of functions. The formula is n power n, that is 6 power 6. Next we need to find the number of bijective functions, that is n factorial, that is 6 factorial. The number of functions which are not bijective means in this total we need to remove these three. That's why 6 power 6 minus 6 factorial, that is option 3 is the correct answer. Next we will discuss question number 45. If A equals to x such that x belongs to n and x less than or equals to 5, n means here which numbers? Natural numbers. And B equals to x such that x belongs to z, z means integers, x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. Then the total number of functions from A to B we need to find. Okay. Solution. What are the natural numbers less than or equals to 5? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now B. Here they given x square minus 5x plus 6 equals to 0. If you simplify, it can be written as x minus 2 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 2 comma 3. Therefore, set B is equal to 2 comma 3. Now, A contains 5 elements, that is nothing but m value is 5. B contains 2 elements, that is n value is 2. Here n value is more or m value is more, the condition is n less than or equals to m. If n less than or equals to m, therefore total number of onto functions. Already in previous session I explained the formula for total number of onto functions. The formula is sigma r is equal to 1 to n minus 1 power n minus r into ncr into r power m. This is the formula for total number of onto functions. Here m value is 5, n value is 2, r value we need to take from 1 onwards. First I am taking r value is 1, then minus 1 power 2 minus 1, now 2c1 into 1 power 5 plus next I am taking r value is 2 minus 1 power 2 minus 2, that is 2c2 into 2 power 5. Next r equals to 3, but that is not possible. If you take r equals to 3, here what you will get? 2c3, that is not possible. That's why we need to stop, because 2c1 possible, 2c2 possible, next 2c3 will get, 2c3 is not possible. Now simplify this. This is minus 1 and 2c1 is 2, 1 power anything 1. This is plus 1, 2ct is 1, that is 32. Then finally minus 2 plus 32, then total 30 onto functions possible from A to B, that is nothing but option 1 is correct. This question is asked in KSET 2019. Okay. Next question number 46. Observe question number 46. What is given? On the set of positive rationals, a binary operation star is defined by a star b equals to 2ab by 5. If 2 star x equals to 3 power minus 1, then x value we need to find. See here, given a star b is equal to 2ab by 5, and they given 2 star x is equal to 3 power minus 1 is nothing but 1 by 3. What is the meaning of star? 2 into first value into second value by 5. 2 into first value into second value by 5 is equal to 1 by 3. Now what we will get here? 4x by 5 is equal to 1 by 3, then x is equal to 5 by 12, that is answer. 5 by 12 means which option? Fourth option. Then option 4 is a correct answer for question number 46. Next, we will discuss question number 47. The range of the function f of x is equal to 7 minus x p x minus 3. This question is asked in JEE 2004. Okay. Now let us discuss the solution. Clearly 7 minus x is positive, x minus 3 also positive. These both values are always either 0 or positive. That implies I can write 7 less than or equals to x, x less than or equals to 3. Because here minus x come to this side plus x, minus 3 come to this side plus 3. This is equation 1. If the expression is NPR, n value is always more than r. If it is NPR, n value is more than r. Similarly, clearly 7 minus x is more than x minus 3. If you simplify this, 10 greater than or equals to 2x, 5 greater than or equals to x. This can be written as x less than or equals to 5. This is equation 2. Okay. From these two, I am finding domain. How to find domain? We need to take the intersection of this condition, this condition, this condition. If this condition value is, x value is below 7 or 7, here 3 or more, here 5 equal to 5 or below 5. From this, what you will get? The domain is 3 I am taking first, because 3 satisfying first condition, 3 satisfying second condition, 3 satisfying third condition. Next I am taking 4. 4 satisfying first condition, 4 satisfying second condition, 4 satisfying third condition. Next I am taking 5. 5 satisfying first condition, 5 satisfying second condition, 5 satisfying third condition. So these 3 values. Don't take 6, because if you take 6, this condition will not exist. So finally in domain we got 3 values, that is 3, 4, 5. Next, but in question they asked find range of the function. That's why I am finding first f of 3. Means substitute this 3 value in this equation. Now 7 minus 3, that is 4. P 3 minus 3, that is 0. 4p0 value is 1. Next I am finding f of 4. Substitute here. 7 minus 4, that is 3. P 4 minus 3, that is 1. 3p3 is equal to 3. Next I am finding f of 5. You can substitute 5 here. 7 minus 5, 2. P 5 minus 3, 2. 2p2, that is nothing but 2. Therefore, range is 1, 2, 3. This is the answer. 1, 2, 3 means which option? Option 1 is the correct answer. If you want to find range, first we need to find domain. According to domain, this value is clearly greater than or equals to 0. This value also greater than or equals to 0. We got one condition. If in NPR, n value is always greater than or equals to r. That's why 7 minus x is greater than or equals to x minus 3. We got one more condition. If you want a domain, we need to take the intersection of 1 and 2. You will get domain is 3, 4, 5. But we require range. Substitute 3 here. Substitute 4. Substitute 5. You will get a range. That is 1, 2, 3. That is the answer. Next, we will discuss question number 48. See, in question number 48, what is given? If f maps R to S defined by f of x is equal to sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1 is on to, then the interval of S we need to find. Okay. Now, this expression f of x is equal to sin x minus root 3 cos x plus 1. It can be written as f of x is equal to, here multiply with 2, inside divide with 2, sin x into 1 by 2 minus cos x into root 3 by 2 plus 1. Now, f of x is equal to 2 into sin x into this 1 by 2 can be written as cos 60 minus cos x into this root 3 by 2 can be written as sin 60 plus 1. It is in the form of sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Then f of x is equal to 2 into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b is formula for sin of a minus b. plus 1. This is a function. We know that this is sine function, na? Then x minus pi by 3 is less than or equal to, or you can take directly sin x minus pi by 3 is less than or equals to minus 1 to plus 1. This is range of sine. For this, multiply by 2. Multiply by 2. If you multiply by 2, what you will get? Minus 2 less than or equals to 2 sin x minus pi by 3 less than or equals to 2. Next, adding 1. Adding 1. If you add 1, 1 minus 2, that is minus 1 less than or equals to 1 plus 2 sin x minus pi by 3 less than or equals to 2 plus 1, 3. Then minus 1 less than or equals to, this total can be written as f of x less than or equals to 3. Here equal to is there, that's why you will get a closed bracket, then f of x, that is nothing but closed bracket minus 1 comma 3, that is answer, that is nothing but option 4 is a correct answer for this question number 48. Next, we will discuss question number 49. The graph of the function y equals to f of x is symmetrical about the line x equals to 2. This question is asked in JEE 2004. Okay, first we will discuss a few formula. After that, we will do the solution. Here, what is the formula? If f is symmetrical about y axis, that is nothing but x is equal to 0. It is symmetrical about y axis means the graph will comes like this. Like this we will get. This is x axis, this is y axis. This is symmetrical about y axis. It is symmetrical about y axis means this function is even function. That implies what you can write? F of x is equal to f of minus x. Why? Because this is even function. This can be written as f of 0 plus x is equal to f of 0 minus x. Now, a function f is symmetrical about x equals to 0. Finally, we got condition f of 0 plus x is equal to f of 0 minus x. But here the line is given x equals to 2. That's why if f is symmetrical about x is equal to 2, in place of 0 you can substitute 2. Why? Because the formula f of a plus x is equal to f of a minus x. In place of a you substitute 2, then what you will get? F of 2 plus x is equal to f of 2 minus x. This is a final answer, that is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for this question number 49. Okay. Next, students, we will discuss next question, question number 50. The domain of the function f of x is equal to sine inverse of x minus 3 by under root of 9 minus x square. This question is asked in JEE 2004. Okay. Let us see how to do the solution. First, numerator. Numerator sine inverse is there. We know domain of sine inverse. We know that x minus 3 less than or equals to minus 1 to plus 1. Already inverse trigonometry chapter we completed. Here sin inverse is there. Domain of sin inverse is minus 1 to plus 1. Now adding 3. Adding 3. If you add 3, then what you will get? 3 minus 1, that is 2, less than or equals to x. Next 3 plus 1, that is 4. Now 2 less than or equals to x less than or equals to 4. This is equation number 1. Numerator over. Next we are taking denominator. Clearly the value which is present in root is positive. Don't take is equal to 0 because this value is present in denominator. If denominator value is 0, anything by 0, that is infinity. That's why the value which is present in the root, that value is always positive. Here I am not taking 0, only I am taking greater than. Why? Because this value is present in the denominator. If it is there in numerator, we can take 0, but this value is there in denominator, that's why I am not taking 0. So from this what I can write? X square minus 9 less than 0. Why? Because if you interchange these two values, inequality will change. Then x square minus 3 square less than 0. It is in the form of a square minus b square. It can be written as a plus b into a minus b less than 0. From this minus 3 less than x less than, this is equation 2. Finally we got two equations. But if you want domain of f of x, that equals to, we need to take the intersection portion of condition number 1 and condition number 3. In condition number 1, 2 included. Here also 2 included. That's why for 2 we got closed bracket. In condition number 1, 3 included, but here 3 does not included. That's why for 3 we will get open bracket. Therefore closed bracket 2 comma 3 open, semi open. Then this option is nothing but option 2 is a correct answer for question number 50. Okay, next question number 51. This question also asked in JEE 2004. R is given 1 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1 is a relation on the set. It contains 4 elements, then the relation is. First, this contains 4 elements. Now I am taking 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4. These are not belongs to R. If these are not belongs to R, then we can write R is not reflexive. R is not reflexive. Next, 2 comma 3 belongs to R, that implies 3 comma 2 also not belongs to R, then R is not symmetric. R is not symmetric. Next we will discuss 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1 both belongs to R, but that implies 2 comma 1 does not belongs to R. R is not transitive. R is not transitive. So it is not reflexive, it is not symmetric, it is not transitive. What is the fourth option? Function. We will check it. Function is possible or not. Here I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in relation they are given 1 comma 3, 4 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 2 comma 3, 3 comma 1. You observe this diagram, 2 is having 2 images, but according to function definition, it is having unique image. Every element in set A having one and only one image in set B. But here 2 is having image 4, 2 is having image 3, so it is not a function. Means function not possible, reflexive not possible, transitive is not possible, symmetric not possible, but symmetric not possible option is given. Therefore, finally we will get the answer option 2 is the correct answer for this question number 51. Next, we will discuss question number 52. In 52 question, the given set is 3, 6, 9, 12, same model. Solution. Totally 4 values are given. That's why first we need to check reflexive, symmetric and transitive. So first I am verifying reflexive. 3, 3, 6, 6, 9, 9, 12, 12. This 4 belongs to the given relation R. Then R is reflexive. R is reflexive. Next, we need to verify it is symmetric or not. 6, 12 belongs to R, but 12, 6 does not belongs to R. Then R is not symmetric. Next, I am verifying the condition, that is transitive. Okay, if transitive is possible or not, we can check it. If I take this pair 6, 12, one more pair is not exist. If you take 3, 9, corresponding pair is not exist. If you take 3, 12, again corresponding pair not exist. If you take 3, 6 and 6, 12, I am taking 3, 6, 6, 12, both are belongs to R. The resultant pair is what? 3, 12. This 3, 12 also belongs to R. Then R is transitive. So finally, it is reflexive and transitive. Reflexive and transitive means option 1 is the correct answer for this question number 52. Okay. Next, we will discuss question number 53. In question number 53, they given the largest interval lying in open bracket minus pi by 2 comma pi by 2, for which the function f of x equals to 4 power minus x square plus cos inverse of x by 2 minus 1 plus log cos x. So here totally 3 functions are given. So first we need to verify the domain of individual function. Okay. Solution. First, 4 power minus x square. It is defined for all real numbers. This is equation 1. Coming to the second. What is second function? Cos inverse of x by 2 minus 1. We know the domain of cos inverse. We know that x by 2 minus 1 less than or equals to minus 1 to plus 1. Why? Because domain of cos inverse x is minus 1 to plus 1. Now here add 1, adding 1. If you add 1, 1 and minus 1 becomes 0. Here 1 cancel, x by 2, 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, next multiply by 2. 2 into 0, 0, 2 into x by 2, x, 2, 2 just 4. This is condition number 2. Okay. Next, third one is log cos x. Okay. Log function define for cos x is positive. Why? Because log function always accept positive values. Cos is positive in which quadrant? X lies in first quadrant and fourth quadrant. This is third point. But in question we required domain of f of x. So, if you want domain of f of x, we need to take the intersection of first one, second one and third one. 0 is included here, 0 is included here, 0 is included here. That is why 0 will get. Next, pi by 2 is included, pi by 2 is included, but pi by 2 is not included. Why? Because we need to take like this. This is the first quadrant. So, that is why here pi by 2 we are not including, that is why pi by 2 we need to take the open bracket. But 0 is included, that is why 0 is closed bracket. This is the largest interval of the function, that is nothing but option 4 is the correct answer for this question number 53. Okay. Next, we will discuss question number 54. In question number 54, f of x is given 4x plus 3 and f is invertible, then we need to find inverse of f. Okay. Solution. To find inverse, first I am taking let f of x is equal to y. That implies x is equal to f inverse of y. But f of x value we know how much? 4x plus 3. Then 4x plus 3 is equal to y. 4x is equal to y minus 3. X is equal to y minus 3 by 4. But x value already we know f inverse of y. That is y minus 3 by 4. F inverse is nothing but g is the inverse of f. Then g of y is equal to y minus 3 by 4. That is nothing but option 3 is the correct answer for this question number 54. Next, we will discuss question number 55. A is equal to x belongs to R such that x is not a positive integer and the function is defined as f of x is equal to 2x by x minus 1. Then we need to verify f is injective and surjective. Injective means 1 1, surjective means onto. First I am verifying injective. Consider f of x1 is equal to f of x2, where x1 comma x2 belongs to the domain. Okay, f of x1 means 2x1 by x1 minus 1 is equal to 2x2 by x2 minus 1. 2 gets cancelled. Now x1 into x2 minus 1 is equal to x2 into x1 minus 1. Simplify, x1 into x2 minus x1 is equal to x2 into x1 minus x2. x2 x1 cancel, then minus x1 is equal to minus x2, minus minus gets cancelled, then x1 is equal to x2. First we need to take f of x1 is equal to f of x2, but finally we got x1 is equal to x2, then we can say f is injective. Next, we need to find surjective. What is the meaning of surjective function? For every element in codomain having at least one preimage in the domain. Here what is codomain? Real number, means you can take any real number. So here I am taking 3. 3 is real number or not? Yes, 3 is a element in the codomain. In place of y, I can substitute 2x by x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then simplify, 2x is equal to 3x minus 3. Then minus x is equal to minus 3, x is equal to 3, but in domain x is not a positive integer. But finally we got x is a positive integer, that is why this x does not belongs to A. Means if you take a value in codomain, its preimage does not exist, then f is not surjective. So finally it is injective but not surjective, that is nothing but option 1 is a correct answer for this question number 55.